deck is cracked, the boards complain, still holding fast through wind and rain. Each splinter tells a drunken tale of boots that danced and feet that failed. We stomp it flat, we claim it ours. This broken deck has held our hours.
Deck of splinters, hearts of brass, laughing loud as tempests pass. Crack the wood and wake the mast. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass.
Polished rail, no shining coat, just tar and salt inside the throat. We bleed a little, sing a lot, forget the pain, remember not. The ship may groan beneath the strain, but still she rides our loud refrain.
Deck of splinters, hearts of brass, laughing loud as tempests pass. Crack the wood and wake the mast. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass. Stomp it down, sing it raw, let the deck hear what we are for. Stomp again, crack the night, hearts of brass, no fear in sight.
If storms should laugh and call us weak, we answer back with breath and beat. No gentlemen, no careful sound, we shake the sea, we pound the ground. This deck may break some distant day, but not tonight, we sing and stay. And when our boots are gone from here, the wood will hum what it still hears. Old songs trapped deep in nail and seam, a rhythm soaked in sweat and steam. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass, laughing loud as tempests pass. Crack the wood and wake the mast. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass. Stomp it down, sing it raw, let the deck hear what we are for. Stomp again, crack the night, hearts of brass, no fear in sight. Stomp it down, sing it raw, let the deck hear what we are for. Stomp again, crack the night, hearts of brass, no fear in sight.
stars all lie, but boots remember where to try. Each step we stomp into the deck is something learned we won't forget. The sea may turn us upside down, but boots know roads no chart has found. Boots remember the way through night and breaking day, no matter where sand, through ports that never knew our hands. They felt the deck, the dock, the stone. They know the path by sound alone. Oh, stomp it slow, stomp it right. Boots no more than stars at night. Failing minds grow thin, our boots will march the song within. Boots remember the way through night and breaking day. No matter where we roam, our boots remember home. Boots remember the way through night and breaking day. No matter where we roam, our boots remember. Holds a compass dead. It spins around his stubborn head. Captain of the broken compass, still the sea can't ever stump us. No needle points the way we go. We follow songs and gut below. Yo-ho! Wrong way, right crew! Hey! Right! We miss the ports they say are best, but find the ones not on the list. If maps all burn and stars all fade, we'll sail on noise and plans we made. And when they ask what guided us, we'll point at him and laugh and cuss. Choose roads with silent minds. We sing the path before we find. The course appears when voices meet, when doubt dissolves beneath the beat. Before the helm, before the plan, we course first, then understand. Oh, live for the course, let the song decide the force. Direction grows from harmony, not lines on charts we cannot see. Sing it first, then we steer. Songs make pathways clear. keeps us straight, the course obeys, no need to wait.
Deck is cracked, the boards complain, still holding fast through wind and rain. Each splinter tells a drunken tale of boots that danced and feet that failed. We stomp it flat, we claim it ours. This broken deck has held our hours.
Deck of splinters, hearts of brass, laughing loud as tempests pass. Crack the wood and wake the mast. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass.
Polished rail, no shining coat, just tar and salt inside the throat. We bleed a little, sing a lot, forget the pain, remember not. The ship may groan beneath the strain, but still she rides our loud refrain.
Deck of splinters, hearts of brass, laughing loud as tempests pass. Crack the wood and wake the mast. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass. Stomp it down, sing it raw, let the deck hear what we are for. Stomp again, crack the night, hearts of brass, no fear in sight.
If storms should laugh and call us weak, we answer back with breath and beat. No gentlemen, no careful sound, we shake the sea, we pound the ground. This deck may break some distant day, but not tonight, we sing and stay.
And when our boots are gone from here, the wood will hum what it still hears. Old songs trapped deep in nail and seam, a rhythm soaked in sweat and steam. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass, laughing loud as tempests pass. Crack the wood and wake the mast. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass. Stomp it down, sing it raw, let the deck hear what we are for. Stomp again, crack the night, hearts of brass, no fear in sight.
Stomp it down, sing it raw, let the deck hear what we are for. Stomp again, crack the night, hearts of brass, no fear in sight.
the line where water bends, where maps give up and guessing ends. We crossed the fear, we crossed the foam, we crossed the parts that felt like home. But every mile we thought we won led back to where the song begun. The start was breath, the start was sound, a rhythm stamped into the ground. We carried it through wind and loss, through broken mast and compass toss. And now we stand where we began, with salt still thick upon the hand. Every journey ends where the song begins, with open lungs and worn out grins. No matter far, no matter long, we end our road inside the song. The sea pretends we've changed our face, but sound remembers every place.
Sing it back, sing it home, every road returns to tone.
Didn't leave to find an end, we left to hear ourselves again.
Every journey ends where the song begins, with open lungs and worn out grins. No matter far, no matter long,
We end our road inside the song. Anchor sinks, the chains complain, the harbor breathes us in again. Smoke curls thick around the piers, like stories told too many years. We sing them slow, we sing them sweet, with tired lungs and salted feet. Anchor songs and harbor smoke, every word a sailor's joke, half in truth and half in lies, drifting up in cloudy skies. The town pretends it doesn't hear, but windows lean a little near. Each chorus spills across the bay, then fades before the break of day. We sing of ports we never stayed, of debts unpaid and plans delayed. So sway
songs break free. They crawl up walls and sail the sea. By dawn the docks will still recall the sound that climbed their silent walls. When chains lift up and smoke runs thin, our echo stays to drink it in. Anchor songs and harbor smoke, every word a sailor's joke, half in truth and half in lies, drifting up in cloudy skies. Anchor songs and harbor smoke, every word a sailor's joke, half in truth and half in lies, drifting up in cloudy skies.
Maps are wrong, the stars all lie, but boots remember where to try. Each step we stomp into the deck is something learned we won't forget. The sea may turn us upside down, but boots know roads no chart has found. Boots remember the way through night and breaking day, no matter where we roam. Our boots remember home. They've walked through tar, through blood, through sand, through ports that never knew our hands. They felt the deck, the dock, the stone. They know the path by sound alone. Stomp it slow, stomp it right. Boots no more than stars at night. Whoa. When voices fail and minds grow thin, our boots will march the song within. Boots remember the way through night and breaking day, no matter where we roam. Our boots remember home. Boots remember the way through night and breaking day, no matter where we roam. Our boots remember home. Captain holds a compass dead. It spins around his stubborn head. Captain of the broken compass, still the sea can't ever stump us. No needle points the way we go. We follow songs and gut below. Yo-ho! Wrong way, right crew! We miss the ports they say are best, but find the ones not on the list. If maps all burn and stars all fade, we'll sail on noise and plans we made. And when they ask what guided us, we'll point at him and laugh and cuss. Captain of the broken compass, still the sea can't ever stump us. Captain of the broken compass, still the sea can't ever stump us. We don't choose roads with silent minds. We sing the path before we find. The course appears when voices meet, when doubt dissolves beneath the beat. Before the helm, before the plan, we chorus first, then understand. Before the course, let the song decide the force. Direction grows from harmony, not lines on charts we cannot see. Sing it first, then we steer. Songs make pathways clear. The chorus sets us straight, the course obeys, no need to wait. Oh, the course, let the song decide the force. Deck is cracked, the boards complain, still holding fast through wind and rain. Each splinter tells a drunken tale of boots that danced and feet that failed. We stomp it flat, we claim it ours. This broken deck has held our hours. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass, laughing loud as tempests pass. Crack the wood and wake the mast. Deck of splinters, hearts of brass. No polished rail, no shining coat, just tar and salt inside the throat. We bleed a little, sing a lot, forget the pain, remember not. The ship may groan beneath the strain, but still she rides our loud refrain. should laugh and call us weak, we answer back with breath and beat. No gentleman, no careful sound. We shake the sea, we pound the ground. This deck may break some distant day, but not tonight. We sing and stay. And when our boots are gone from here, the wood will hum what it still hears. Old songs trapped deep in nail and seam, a rhythm soaked in sweat and steam.